Hey guys, welcome back to Flutter tutorial for beginners. This is the part 10 of the series and today we are going to learn about list view builders. So last time we learned about list view. So what does the list view does is just make a scrollable list for you guys. So now for example we are getting some data from the API. For example we are getting list of products and we have some let us say 10,000. So it's not practical to type for like every product type list style and then product 1 product 2, right? So we can use list view builder, and how we will implement that I will show you. Now I have got rid of that list view code because it was too long. As you can see, list of strings, this list, let us consider that I am getting this list from an API and I have these many products, product 1, product 2, product 3 and product 4 and 5, right? So now let me just quickly show you how to implement the list view builder. Okay, list view dot builder. Yep, perfect. And you can directly see the difference over here. In the list view we had that children, but in this we have item builder, and as you can see item builder is a widget function. So basically it will return the widgets or let me just quickly show you that. So in this we have to pass build context and we can directly name it context and the index, since we are dealing with list. Okay, so need to keep track of the index of this list. Okay, now we can return whatever widget we want to return. For example, I want to return a center widget, center widget, right? And let us say it has a child text. Text will say what will it say? Hello. And yeah, I also forgot one. We have to get one more parameter for list view builder, that is item count. Okay, so now let us say we can pass this item count 3 times. Okay, let me just reload the app, and my Visual Studio is warning me that this list is unused. Something is wrong over here. Okay, yeah. In the new update of Visual Studio basically just whenever there's a warning or any error, the Visual Studio basically just stops everything whichever is on the screen. And I still have this, why I don't know. Yeah, as you can see I have this 3 hellos in the center. That's awesome, but we don't need that, right? So we want to access this list. So now what I can do is just pass list, and you remember this variable index. Yeah, I can just say index and just reload the app again. And as you can see I have got product 1, product 2, product 3 and till product 3, but I have 5 products. So what about the rest, right? So here I can also pass this list dot length and reload. Yeah, so as you can see I have the 5 products, but yeah, this is not the most ideal way of showing the list, right? So I can just have this. I had copied my previous list style code, so I can have this. And in the list style, where am I showing the name of the product? Okay, over here, right? So let me just get the list index and let's reload the app. And as you can see we have the list of the product, and so you can use this if you're like getting some kind of list of, like I have this string, right? If I wanted to show a proper list of product, then I could have created an object or the class for the product and would have created the list. If you don't understand how to do that, you can refer my second video of this series where I have taught you the basic of that, and in there you can learn how to create a list of an object. So this is it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Until next time, goodbye.